accused in the Badlapur alleged sexual assault incident sent to judicial custody for 14 days by Kalyan Court. This comes after two 4-year-old girls were sexually assaulted inside the washroom of a Maharashtra school this month, sparking widespread protest in the western state. The accused, a male attendant at the school in Thane district, was arrested last week and currently remains in the custody. The Bombay High Court has directed the special investigation team probing the case to file a report by August 27, that is tomorrow. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Prathamesh. Prathamesh, as the new development comes in the Badlapur sexual assault case of the minor girls, the accused has been sent to judicial custody. What more details have come forward as far as the probe by the police officials in this case and a critical incident is concerned?
Yes, correct. The accused Akshay Shinde has been sent to 14 days of judicial custody by the Kalyan Court, as well as before he was sent to the police custody, and then after that today he was being presented in front of the court, and from there, from the police side, it was been said that we need more of the custody because we need to do the investigation, as in this all the matter of the Badlapur, the SIT has been formed and SIT investigating in this matter, as the SIT is also visiting the accused home as well. Second time they have visited the accused home yesterday, and they all the scenes and all the evidences has been collected over this, and they and in the court as well they have been said that they need to more investigation on they need to more investigate on the matter as well. So after this, now the court has directed Akshay Shinde to send into a judicial custody, and as well as from the Akshay Shinde's lawyer as well, it was been said that sent to the judicial custody because all the investigation is done, as and after that the court has sent him to 14 days of judicial custody, and now we need to look at what new thing come into this, as because we have seen the way two small girls has been sexually assaulted by the Akshay Shinde. So after this everything incident, the way the protest was been made out in the Badlapur, the way 10 to 11 hours the local train was been stopped over there, over 1,000 of people came on the track, all the way the SIT is investigating into this matter, and the court is all the court is also putting all the interaction between this matter, and all the evidences is also been collected, and SIT is investigating on this matter. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.